everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Luvwin for sponsoring this video and sending over this gorgeous wig to me. Look at this bounce, y'all. This wig is just so freaking, I just got dizzy a little bit. Oh God, I'm getting old. Anyway, if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's install this wig together. It was fast and easy, you guys, so let's get into it. You guys, we have another Luvwin wig today. All right, let's get into some essentials. We have 2 clips, melting bands, rat tail comb, and some wig caps. All right, so here is the wig that we're working with today. Okay, Shirley Temples. Okay, Shirley Temples. Okay, bounce. Yes, stiff wear, hunty. Stiff wear, hunty. I'll put like the details of this wig at the bottom of the screen because I don't remember. But let's get into the lace. The lace looks really good. It's already pushed back for us. It looks like it doesn't have a part in there, so maybe we'll just do like a little flip over situation or something. But look at the silver color, you guys. It looks so freaking beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Let's get into the construction of the wig. So we've got lace from left to right. We got 3 combs in here, adjustable elastic band, and we also have a comb at the bottom as well. As far as the perimeter of the wig, we do have a grip strip around the perimeter for comfortability and security. Off camera, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put some foundation on the lace so I can camouflage the lace a little bit, and then I'll probably just hot comb the hairs back a little bit more just to make it neater, and then I'm gonna come back and we will style this baby together. But wow, how exciting. Look at the roots, kind of look a little bit more white. I don't know if it's just the hairs. It might just be the hairs from the lace that are a little bit more white, and then these ones are a little bit more like peppery, and it's like more salty at the top, if you guys can see that. But yes, I'm very excited about this one. This one looks so freaking cute. All right, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so this wig was so freaking easy, quick, and fast to install, you guys. I barely did anything. I'm trying to contemplate if I want this curl right here in the front to my head. Okay, but look how quick and easy this wig was. Super easy. I didn't even use my hot comb because it was pretty much already combed back for me. So I just put some foundation on the lace and just kind of like finger comb the curls out, but not even really. I just kind of like just stretched them out so to take some of the uniform away, but they're still defined and beautiful, still bouncy. Oh my gosh, just really, really gorgeous. And the wig is still glueless, you guys. I didn't glue it down at all. But you can definitely glue the wig down if you like. But I did not because I wanted to keep the install as quick and easy and beginner friendly as possible. But yes, this wig is so freaking gorgeous. This is perfect for like date night with your girlfriends, a brunch, to work. This could be a work wig. Honestly, you can throw it on and off so easily that this could just be a running errands wig if you wanted to. For those of you that want to embrace your salt and pepper, this wig is perfect. You can probably style this a lot differently too, because look, like the hair is actually so freaking long, but it's just curled up. It's so freaking pretty. I will have all the information, the details of this wig in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. But yes, this wig is just, honestly, it is just freaking stunningly gorgeous. Stunningly gorgeous. Look at all the body and the movement. Like, it just looks so freaking good. And the hairline on here looks so good too. The lace underneath. I mean, you can't even tell that the wig is glueless. It's like melting into the skin. So it looks so freaking good. But yes, so I will have all the information in the description box, you guys. Make sure you guys drop a comment below. Let me know how you guys like it. I don't know if this wig is gonna come up first or the other one, but I have 2 salt and pepper wigs that are gonna be coming out like back to back. So comment below, tell me which wig you guys like better. Are you guys wearing salt and pepper hair this winter? Yes, I also feel like salt and pepper hair is perfect for the winter time. It just gives like so sultry and like wintry. Probably because it's like reminding me of snow. But yes, so comment below. Let's talk about it in the comments. Thank you again, Luvwin, for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. You guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.